the question here is, how do you do the hands on the bottom of this background here? And basically what you have to do for that is to actually download silhouettes of hands and make multiple copies of them and change opacities and stuff. So basically what I would do is, somebody already asked that question, so I just type in hand silhouette, and then I make sure that whenever you're downloading pictures to use online, you choose on the search tools, the size for the picture needs to be large, okay? Because if you choose low resolution, small pictures, and you resize them in InDesign or Photoshop, you are going to lose quality, image quality. So make sure it's large. Once you have one, for instance, say I choose this guy, you have to download this picture. So you download it somewhere. Once you download it, then you can bring it into InDesign. Okay, so Control-0 here. I'll go to File, Place, or Control-D, and I'll choose my hand. I don't know where I put the hand. I think it was on the desktop. But all right, so you have a hand here, and you can put the hand in. Depending on the hand that you get, it may or may not have a background. Okay, so if you want to remove background of stuff, you have to go into Photoshop. But in this case here, I was lucky enough that I chose one that doesn't have a background. And once I do that, I can Control-Alt, click and drag, and I can create multiple copies of the same thing. I can then use the flipping tool here on the top, flip horizontally, and I create multiple different ones. I can rotate them a little bit. I can resize them a little bit, create different, different hands and stuff. And I can, this is just a little labor intensive, but eventually you end up with something that you can use, and you can actually use opacity here to change the opacity on the top, to lower the opacity of some hands, to create depth. Okay? Does that answer your question, Ross?
Yeah.
So basically you have to go online, find pictures to do this.